if all the words with or without meaning using the letters of word Nagpur are arranged as in a dictionary, meaning in alphabetical order, then we have to find the rank, the word on 315th place. Now in JEE Main, the questions on dictionary problem are very common. And in recent year, you'll find that instead of asking the rank of a given word, they will ask word on a given place. For example, here we have to find the word on this 315th place. Now, for solving these type of problem, the first step will be to get close to this number 315, right? First, I mean, in dictionary problem, first we need to arrange the given letters in alphabetical order. So here the alphabetical order will be A, then you will get Z, N, and then we have P, R, U. So if I arrange, I mean, using these 6 letters, total you can create 6 factorial, that is 720 words. And if you arrange all those words in alphabetical order, then first word will be this one, A, G, N, P, R, U, right? Similarly, second word will be A, G, N, P, and then just interchange these two. So in that manner, if you write all the words in alphabetical order, the problem is which word will come at 315th place. So first let us find all the words starting with letter A, right? First we'll have word beginning with letter A. Then after that you'll have words starting with letter Z and so on. So with A, if I fix A on first place, then you have 5 letters. All of them are distinct. So that means by arranging those 5 letters, you can create 5 factorial, that is 120 words. So the first 120 words will be starting with letter A. After that, the word formation will begin with letter Z. Now, again, if you fix Z on first place, you have 5 letters, and by arranging those 5 letters, you can create another 5 factorial, that is 120 words. 120 plus another 120, that will be 240. So the first 120 words starting with letter A, next 120 words starting with letter Z, we have reached up to 240. Now 241st word, that will be starting with this letter N. Now with N, if you create another 120, 240 plus 120, that will be 360, which is more than this number. So that means the word on 315th place has to be starting with this letter N, right? Starting from 241 up to 360, the words will be starting with letter N. So on first place we'll get N. And you can see that in all options, the first letter is N itself. Now on second place, I mean, once you start word formation with letter N, first we'll get NA, then you will get NG and so on. So with NA, how many words are there? Again, 4 factorial, because if I fix 2 letters, then there are 4 other letters, and that you can arrange in 4 factorial number of ways. So number of words starting with letter A, this will be 4 factorial, which is 24. 240 plus 24, that will be 264. Our aim is first we need to get close to this number 315, and then we'll see how to find the word on 315th place. So with NA, another 4 factorial, that is 264 total. Now after NA, the word formation will begin with letter NG, right? First NA, then NG and so on. Again, if I fix N and G on first 2 places, there are 4 letters which you can arrange in 24 different ways, 4 factorial. 264 plus 24, that is 288, right? We're getting close to this number 315. After NG, the word formation will begin with NP, right? So first NA, then NG, and then NP. With NP, another 4 factorial, 24, 288 plus 24, that will be 312. And now we are very close to this number, right? In fact, here is, I'll not only explain the word on 315th place, but all the other places which are, I mean, close to that number. So here if I ask what is the word on 312th place, then it will be the last word starting with these 2 letters NP, right? The word on 312th place, this will be last word starting with letter NP. Now remember, whenever you need last word starting with a given set of letters, then you will write those 2 letters, and then remaining letters you will write in reverse order. Right, for first word starting with NP, you write NP and then remaining letters in alphabetical order. And for last word, write in reverse order. So the last word starting with letter NP, that will be on 312th place. And this word should be NP and then remaining four letters in reverse order. So that means URZA, right? URZA. This is the word on 312th place. Next, on 313th place, after NP, the word formation will begin with NR, right? So first two letter NR, and then once you have these two letters, and if I need first word starting with NR, so write NR and then remaining four letters in alphabetical order. So that means NRA, and then we have GPU. This is the word on 313th place. Now, by interchanging these three letters, you can create next six words. Right? This is one word, and next five you can create by just interchanging these three letters. So that means starting from 313 up to 318, right? 313, 14, 15, 16, 17, and all the way up to 318. First three letters will be NRA, right? And if I interchange these three letters, you can create another six words. So from 313 up to 318, the first three letter has to be NRA. And now there is something called 1, 2, 3 method that you can use for solving this problem, right? 1, 2, 3 method is that, I mean, with letters, it becomes difficult to identify which one should be the next one. But with digits, you can very easily see that if I have these three digits, 1, 2, 3, so smallest number is 1, 2, 3, next one is 1, 3, 2, then we have 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, right? So next word will be NRA, and then after 1, 2, 3, next number starting with digits 1, I mean, using the digits 1, 2, 3, that will be 1, 3, 2. So that means next word has to be ZUP. Here 1 is representing Z, 2P, and 3U. Next one should be NRA, and then after 132, next one will be 213, right? 213, that will be the next smallest number. So 213 means P, and then 213 means we can write PGU, and then 231. So that means next one will be NRA, and then P31 means UZ. 317 NRA 312. 312 means UGP, and finally the last one NRA, and then 321. So 321 means UPG. So in this manner, you can write all the words starting with letter NRA. Now here we are interested in word on 315th place. So this is the word NRAPGU. Clearly you can see that this is option C, and therefore that should be the correct answer for this problem. Right, so this was a very interesting problem, and generally in dictionary problem we are asked to find a rank of a given word. But whenever you need word on a given place, then you can first get close to that number, and after that you can use this 1, 2, 3 method. Also, once you are very close to this number, then you should write one after another so that you can see which word will come at this 315th place. So for this problem, the correct answer will be option C.